Good morning, children. So yesterday we have seen better how to find the HCF, and we have learned how to find the HCF by prime factorization method, common division method, and the long division method. Okay. Now see better one question on the HCF from your textbook. Find the HCF by the division method and reduce to the simplest form. So it is the question number 2. Find the HCF by division method and reduce to the simplest form. To the simplest form. Means first you have to find the HCF and then reduce them by their HCF. Question number 1 is 275 divided by 525. Second, 76 divided by 133. And the third one, 161 divided by 69. So let's see beta question number 1. Okay, so it is question number 1. 275 divided by 525. So first we will find the HCF of these two numbers. Okay, so we will find the HCF by division method. Means 275 divided by 525. Okay, so here with 275 ones are 275 is more than 525. So we will take 275 ones are 275. Okay, now subtract 5 minus 5, 0. Here is 4, 12 minus 7, 5, and 4 minus 2, 250. Now this remainder, 250 is the remainder. It becomes divisor. And the first divisor becomes dividend. And we will continue. 250, ones are 250. Now we will get remainder 0. Now again, this becomes divisor and this 250 becomes dividend. So you have to continue this process until you get the remainder 0. So put here. Now see button. Here we get a remainder 0. So 25 is the divisor. By this we get the remainder 0. Therefore the HCF of 275 and 525 is 25. HCF is 25. Now see better. You have to take this HCF and divide both numerator and denominator by 25. So 275 divided by 525 and their HCF is 25. So divide both numerator and denominator by 25. So what you get? 575 divided by 25. Here you will get 11 upon 21. So 11 upon 21 is the reduced form of 275 and 525. Got it, beta? And this rest of the two questions you have to solve yourself. Got it, beta? Now let us see the another term, LCM, means least common multiple. So you have to find the common multiple which is divisible by their LCM. LCM, least common multiple. The least common multiple of the given number is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given number. So see beta, one example for this least common. Find the LCM of 60 and 48. So you have to find the number that is divisible by both 60 and the 48. So first we will find the factors of 60 and 48. Now see beta, in HCF we have find only the common factors of the given numbers. But here in LCM you have to find the common multiples and also the common uncommon multiples. Means LCM equals to the common multiple multiplied by uncommon multiple. So see beta, here we will find 60. It is the even number. So it is 2 multiplied by 30. Now see beta, 2 is the prime number. So write down 2 as it is. 30 is the composite number. So it will again divided by 2. So we will get 15 to the 30. Now see, these two are prime numbers, but 15 is the composite number. So write down the prime number as it is. 15 is the product of 3 multiplied by 5, and see 3 and 5 both are the prime number. See the last line, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 15, 15 5s are. Now 48. 48. Now see, again the 48 is the even number. So divide it by 2. So we will get 24. Now write down this prime number 2 as it is. 24 is the composite number. And also it is even number. So again we will divide it by 2. So we get 12. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 12. 12 is a composite number. So factorize this 12. So 12 will be factorized 2 into 6. Now this 6 is composite number. So again it will factorize 2. So write down rest of the prime number as it is. So it is 2 3s are 2 3s are 6. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 3, and 48. Okay. Now after that, take the last line. That is this one. 60 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. And 48 equals to into 3. Now see beta, LCM equals to common factor multiplied by uncommon factor. Now see here 2 occurs in 2 times and here 2 occurs 4 times. So maximum is 4. So write down 4 times Now what is left? This 3. It is common. It occurs only once. Now what is left, beta? This 5 is left. So after multiplying, we will get 240. So LCM of 60 and 48 is 240. Got it, beta? Okay. It is prime factorization method. Okay, and we will use division method to find the LCM. Common division method. It is what? Common division method. So common division method is the quick method and easy method. So quickly you can find the LCM of the given numbers. By using division method. So now we will find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. See beta, we will use these 3 numbers at a time. So write down the given 3 or 4, whatever the numbers given in one line. 8, 10 and 12. See, all are the even numbers. So we will take the first prime, that is 2. Okay, it is 12. 2 4s are 8. Divide this 2 and 10. 2 5s are 10. Now divide this 12 by 2. 2 6 are. Now again see these 2 are even numbers. So again we will take 2. So divide this 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. But 5 is not divisible by 2. So write down the 5 as it is. 6 divided by 2. 3. Okay. Now see better no number which divide 2, 5 and 3. So here we get the remainder 2, 5, 3. Okay. So you can write like this. 2 1s are 2. 5, write down 5 as it is. 3 as it is. Now take another prime 3. 1. 5 is not divisible by 3. So write down 5 as it is. And 3 1s are 3. Now what is left? 5 is left. So take the another prime 5. Now see, our remainder is 1. So if you multiply all this, you will get the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. So LCM equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 5. So what you get, beta? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and 24 5. So let's see one more example. Find the LCM of 30, 36 and 45. Okay, so again we will apply the common division method. We will take all the numbers as it is. So simultaneously you can take all the given numbers. It is 30, 36 and 45. See beta, these two numbers are even, but 45 is not even. So write down, start with the 2. 2, 15 are 30. Divide this 36 by 2. What you get? 18. But 45, 2 is not the multiple of 45. So write down 45 as it is. Okay? Now again 18 is the even number. See beta, 15 is not divisible by 2. So write down the 15 as it is. 18 is the even number. So 9 2s are 18. Again 45 is not divisible by 2. So write down the 45 as it is. Now see, our remainders are 15, 9 and 45. So no remainder is even. So we will take the next prime 3. 3 5s are, 3 3s are and 3 15s are. 45. 5 3 15. Again we will take 3. So 5 is not divisible by 3. So write down 5 as it is. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Okay, now our remainders are 5, 1 and 5. So we will take the next prime number 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. See, all the remainders are 1. Got it beta? Now multiply all these prime numbers. You will get the LCM. So LCM equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and 5. 2 times 2, 3, 2 times 3 and multiplied by 5. So what is the answer? It is 180. Got it beta? Okay. So I am giving you some homework to solve. Find the LCM of okay, so you can use common division method or you can use the prime factorization method. Okay. First, 12 and 15. Second, 6, 8 and 10. Question number 3, 18 and 32. 4 is 10, 15, 20. And question number 5 is 45 and 86. Question number 6. 15, 30 and 90. 7, 105, 195. 8, 1, 12, 15, 45. Question number 9 is 63 and 81. Question number 10, 18, 36, 27. Now see children, yesterday we have seen the HCF of two prime numbers or two co-prime number is 1. Okay, but here LCM of two prime number is their product. So in this way you can find LCM. So to find the LCM of prime numbers, you have to multiply them. So you will get the LCM. Okay. So these are the homeworks you have to solve. $15 and 81. Here is 81. Okay. Bye bye children.